Alright, so let me share this. I'm on a few minutes early today, which is good. So
Order filled.
I can get... Oh, I was going to check when... Alright. I was going to check the time of pickleball today. What's today? Tuesday? 10:30. Alright, cool. Actually, that might not be today. I think it's in my trash. Alright, Tuesday. Oh, it is 10:30. Okay, cool. Alright, so we updated NQ early a bit, NQ later a bit to increase the profit and lower the loss. So that's great. Let me get my phone stand and my little noisemakers for TikTok. It's 9:30. The market is open. See, those 2 minutes like fly.
My name is Susie Loftus.
By. Switch account. There we go. Go live. Okay. Assuming I'm zoomed out here. All right. Good morning. Good morning. It's Tuesday, April 23rd. My name is Lauren. I go live every day, Monday through Friday, showing you the auto trading algorithm on the futures market. We trade pretty much all futures products: gold, oil, the NASDAQ, the S&P 500, the Dow, the Russell, platinum, silver, sometimes some bonds, or what's ZB again? No. Let me open up this other one. Let's see. One, two, three, four.
Order submitted.
Nice job.
Order canceled.
Oh, never mind. 5 for 5. I really want to put this one that I'm testing on an eval just for fun, because I think it will do well. I have these orders sitting here that you said it's support now. Do you see that support and then the run up? Let's go. What did it pull back to? 13? If you're new here, yeah, definitely not what we need. Again, I go live every day, 9:30 to 10:30. Jen will be live 2 to 3 p.m. on TikTok as well. Will be live on TikTok from 3 to 5. They're all awesome. They both use the algorithm, and they're both students of mine. So they know what they're talking about. I'm probably going to... I started a new eval yesterday, and for $50,000, a $50,000 account. Remember, the sale is ending next Tuesday. 80% off, 1 day to pass eval. I might pass the eval today. If not today, definitely tomorrow. I'm at almost $52,000, and the goal is $53,000. So we will see how that goes. I have another one that I made like 600 on so far, something like that. Yeah, the mentorship is a must. It really puts everything in perspective. We have a student call every single morning from 8:45 to 9:15. And then soon I will no longer be doing these lives, and I will be instead, let's see if we get under this 30. Instead, I will be doing a live with my students only, and we will be live trading. So we'll do our regular pre-market breakdown, and then we will also do some live trading every single day.
Order filled.
So I'm really excited for that. I took this
Stop filled.
short under 30. I hit my offset because this was a level I had that I was watching from earlier this morning. It could hold as support, but I would love to see it come back down to like 400. So hit the offset on that short. Watching it here.
Order submitted.
See if we can stay under 30 or not. Do you do the mentorship for the first month and then Apex and Ninja Trader? I don't know if I understand that question. So, if you sign up for the mentorship, you get sent the videos and you get access to the group for 1 month included with the price of the mentorship. The Apex accounts, you can get at any time, but right now they're doing a sale that ends on Tuesday. So you can grab those Apex accounts whenever you want, kind of just hang on to them. We had a nice pullback to the magic line over here. If you're in premium, we had some big wins last night. Oil had like a $900 win. ES early is in short. We'll see about this. Is that a no today? Nice, Irma. YM range had a win. Nice job, Mike. Let me check my settings. Oh no, we're good here. Alright. We are good. See if NQ can get back below 30. ES wants to go down, NQ wants to go up. If we get below 30 on NQ, we can continue dropping down to 418, 400. But we got to get below that 30, so. And that's going to affect ES in the interim. Good morning. So excited. Yeah. The mentorship is amazing. And the student call every morning, it's just exactly what you need. Magic Mike is great. He was in the chat yesterday. It will be so much fun, Carlos. I'm really excited for that too. I'm walking on my treadmill because I want to get my steps in. I already got like 10,000, but yesterday I did like 23,000, and it's like kind of addicting to just push yourself to new levels to do better than you did before. So ES early is still in this short. Again, if NQ wants to get below 30, 17,430, we can move lower. But until that happens, it's kind of also moving ES up. The ES loss, if it happens, is like $300, so it's not horrible. You can definitely get that back. Oh, but now we're at 36. Now we're at 35. See how NQ decided to turn around? And now ES, see if it follows in. But we were just at 35 with NQ. We'll see. See if it gets below 30. There's a high impact of 49.45, and then there's another one at 10. Good morning, Roland. How are you? Just on how much do you keep after passing an eval, making profits? You don't keep any of the money after the eval. You start back over, but you have a fully funded account. So everything you make from that point is 100% yours for the first $25,000, and then after you make $25,000 on that account, you then, we're still in this short, after you make $25,000 on that account, then you split 90-10 between you and, I should. Between you and Apex. So you keep 90%, they keep 10%. All right, yes is coming back down. This is what I like to see. This is what we were just talking about with the. So NQ is really just hanging out between 30 and 45, 30 and 50. You got to see if it can move down. It's back down at 41. If you can get under 30. Yeah, their website is really helpful, the Apex, apextraderfunding.com. They're having an 80% sale until next Tuesday and a 1 day to pass. So if you grab an evaluation account today and you put it on the algorithms or you manually trade it or whatever. Oh, don't I have Santa on? Santa's in a short too. Then it's only had one trade so far, and it was right $200. That's a great thing about Santa is you're only risking $200.
Target filled.
Target filled on NQ early. So NQ early and ES early were at a stance there. So ES early is still in this short, but
Order
we'll
filled.
probably get stopped here. NQ early was a win. ES early is still in the short, but market's moving up, so it'll probably get stopped. Yep. Listen, I have people in my group that make $40,000 to $50,000 a month
Filled.
just trading NQ early and NQ later. That's it. They've done it for years. That's all they do. When new stuff comes out, they don't care. They don't bounce around. They stick to their plan and they don't deviate. And their plan is NQ early and NQ later. Good morning, Savannah. Hey. Make sure you guys follow us if you're on YouTube. Make sure you follow us on TikTok. And please hit that thumbs up. It's really helpful if you just hit that thumbs up once per stream. If you're on TikTok, please tap that screen. Send some likes. There's only 1,000 likes. We're going to need some more tapping, okay?
Order submitted.
But if you are on YouTube right now, make sure you follow us on TikTok because later in the day, Jen, BoldBot _ just Jen, she only goes live on TikTok. And then Will, Mr.
Order
H
submitted.
Trades, he only goes live on TikTok. So you want to make sure that you are present and around for them. And if you don't have a TikTok, I promise it's not going to steal all your information. Just download it. You're going to get sucked in and you're going to love it like everyone else. So report in 2 minutes now. My ankle bracelet thing is falling down. My watch is on my ankle when I walk at my desk like this. Scalpers in a $200 short, guaranteed green here. This is part of the standard plan. This is part of the standard plan. You can easily make, look, $300, $400 here. You could take this and be done for the day. All right, so I talked about a short on oil on the student call. This is now Dana reporting that where I said the short was a good short, 81.60, 81.64, has played out 4 or 5 times now since I said it, which was at 9 a.m. Each tick of oil is $10, and he said every time it's gone at least 10 ticks or more, that's $100 times 5. That's $500 right there. That was something I gave the students this morning on our student call, and this is where the value of the
Order
student
canceled.
mentorship, the digital mentorship, is so important. If you just
Order
join the
filled.
call, you're good. All right, that report just came out, 9:45.
Order submitted.
Whew, all right, market's running. Scalper's not in a trade right now. No, you're not. You're fine.
Order submitted. Alright, sorry. NQ Vizzy is green over $1,100. Kyle, I need you to post pictures. Can you add a picture? No one reads. Everyone is visual and no one reads. So, pictures are required. Yep. So that's another one. If something's not doing well, if it's not performing well, you shouldn't be running it. Like if when something has a pattern of not doing well, you shouldn't be running it. So people that are forcing Oracle at this point, I'm not sure what to say because I said this last week.
poorly on hold until it proves otherwise. So yeah. Scalpers in a short. Sorry. It's like, so if Oracle has not been doing well last week and the week before, what makes you think it's just magically going to start doing well now? I've talked about how April is a really hard month, and obviously we haven't ran Oracle in April before, so I don't have the data. Green 270, 350 on this.
Order canceled.
NQ short on scalper, Santa scalper, which I also showed yesterday. Again, this is a standard product. Everyone in the group, if you're an algo member, you can use this every day if you want to. Grab $100, turn it off. The risk is $200. People love that. 360 here, 400. Even that other short before the report came out was green like 350. You take that, be done, and then it got in another short here. Take that and you're done. But the point is, with the Oracle, if it's not performing well, green 550 here, then you just can't be running it. And maybe I should be putting that, saying that it's on sim every day until it gets better. Until you see consistent back-to-back green days, no one should be risking their account on something that is showing is not performing well in this market. Quote, April. $780 on this scalper short. $790. $800. I don't know. You could do this on a micro. You could use the cross on the Replicento and do this on a micro. This $900 is $90 per micro. And some people come to me and say, oh, I can't make $100 a day. Yes, the hell you can. Yes, you can. Size down to micros.
Order canceled.
You're risking $20 with one micro. All right, so now on one mini, no touching, scalper is green, $400 on the day. $400. Does that make sense, what I'm saying about Oracle and stuff? And I'm going to just start putting it on sim when I post at night. I don't even know if people even look at that. YM Santa is in a $400 long. So there's an NQ Santa and then a YM Santa. They're both in the scalper spreadsheet, the scalper tab on the spreadsheet. I should have done this last week. So NQ night was a win, ES night was a win, and NQ early was a win. Then ES early was a loss. But if you ran NQ night, ES night, and NQ early, you really only read like $50 on the day. And then if you ran any of the Santas, so NQ Santa, YM Santa, or if you're in premium, oil had a $900 win. It also had a $250 win on ES night, It had a $150 win on NQ night. It had a $150 win on GCLIS, and it had a $50 win on CLLIS. Well, this one's a no anyway. So 540, oh, it's 540 on oil. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, $1,200 on premium overnight. Overnight, $1,200 on premium. And that's on 1 mini. It's net 54. All right, there's another high impact report at 10 o'clock. Nice job, Will. And again, Will, like, if you guys see this, you'd probably be like, oh, that's not that much. $15, $25, $75. But he can make $50 on each account, slow and steady, and then that equals like $7,000 a month, $6,000, $7,000 a month. That's a lot of money. That's probably more than most people make in a month. Obviously, you have to pay taxes on that, but make sure you hit that thumbs up if you're on YouTube, please. I go live for you guys. I don't actually have to be live. I could be playing pickleball right now, but I'm live to show you guys this, and soon I will not be going live, and I will be doing the lives with my students only. So make sure you get your questions in now so I can answer them. Oil on this premium setup I'm testing is green $300. It made $900 yesterday on the Oracle Premium. Where's my testing tab? This one. Alright. CL. Oracle. ES Oracle has not taken any trades yet. Seems like the GC one isn't worthy. I'm probably just going to get rid of that. But oil's been doing well. RTY's been doing well.
Order submitted.
Alright, in a short on scalper. In a short green, $160. Here you go again. Guaranteed green, $200. This is with one contract. If you want more information, just email me, boldbotllc@gmail.com. Now $500 on the day on NQ Santa with 1 mini. If you had 3 micros, there's $150, and you're risking $60 per trade. $60 per trade, and you're green $150 on your accounts. All right. Up 550 on scalper. Look, and see Crazy Nut in the TikTok chat. He saw me running scalper yesterday, and he didn't even know about it. He's like, "Oh, what's scalper? How can I get scalper?" He went to Amy. He took the quiz. He got scalper, and now he's up $550 today because he's running scalper with one contract. Up $750 now. Look at that. See? The money that could be had if you just take the time to listen and kind of pay attention, join the lives. Saving that $370 on this oil long. It's an oil Oracle. It's a premium Oracle. $370. guaranteed green. This one yesterday made 900. This is with 1 mini, and you're risking $100. You're risking $100. Move ring closed. Oh, that's right, you can. Kyle said, NQ busy again. Why can't you make 200 a day? Oh, that's right, you can. Exactly. All right. RTY Oracle is green, $400 this week. Well, just yesterday. Made 135 last week. Last week and the week before were kind of shitty of everything. Like Powell was speaking last Tuesday. So you take that out. It was like 300 last week, 400 so far this week. Oil so far is 1,300 this week. Oil last week was red, 1,000 again. 300 of that was on the day that Powell was speaking. So we'll see. I'm testing them. We'll see how they do. They do. You got the Vizzy run. Yeah, there was like $1,100 run on Vizzy. Vizzy's a premium algo. 490 on this oil trade. $510 on this oil trade now. $510. Insane. So 900 yesterday, 510 today. Again, last week was red, anywhere from $600 to $900 across the whole week. ES line conservative. Look at this. This is the oil long, $510. Just took a picture of that. And then Kyle just posted this, $600 on ES conservative, guaranteed green. This is the trail right there. Listen, premium has its advantages. You just have to diversify, understand the risk, and that really goes with all algorithms. If you don't understand the risk and you just come into the group and you start running 3, 5, 10 minis, I let Santa NQ the first day today, and I am enthusiastic. Yay, Micro! Mirko! I was going to say micro the way that I see it. I moved the I. Remember, Santa takes a lot of trades. When you have hit your goal, please. So can you let Santa run all day? For sure. Friday it made like $2,300 on one contract all day.
Order submitted.
Sorry. But can it also have several back-to-back losses? It can. So I also want you guys to just be mindful and appropriately approach Santa. You know, we're in another short here, $150. You make, it's already green 500 on the day. You make your money, your 200, your 300, your 500, you need to lock it up. There's no reason that you should be exposing yourself to later and later in the market when things start to slow down. That report just came out, green 250, 300 on this short. Look at this. So guaranteed green on this scalper short.
Order filled.
All right, 550 on the day now, no touching. Clearly I could have made a lot more if I was touching, if I moved it around or whatever. Let's see how that oil is doing. $500 still on that oil. Guaranteed green on that. Let's see that run. Cool, cool, cool. All right. If you don't already follow Jen and Will is Mr. H Trades. He's in the chat right now on TikTok. Jen is in the chat, BoldBot _ just Jen. Make sure you follow them. Give them some love. Put on that bell icon. It will notify you anytime they go live. Sometimes Jen goes live for me in the morning, so if you're trying to find me and you can't find me, if you have that notification turned on, then Jen, you would have been notified that Jen is live instead of me. Speaking of, what do I have? Something on, is it this Thursday or next Thursday? I think I have like a dentist appointment or something, and I won't be able to be live, but Jen, I'll get with you. I was looking at it last night on my calendar. I'm such a calendar person. Like, I love calendars. I love being organized and knowing what's going on and what's happening. All right, it's 10:05. I hadn't drank water in like 30 minutes.
Order submitted.
So here we go. So now Santa's in a short and it could get stopped here, but I've already made $550 on the day. So why would I still have this turned on? You know what I mean? Even at 150 or 300, it's a slow grind. But if you make $100 a day and you have 10 accounts, that's $1,000 a day. $1,000 a day, there's 20 trading days on average per month. That's $20,000 a month. You know what I mean? So, all right, it's 10:06. I'm probably going to wrap it up here. I'm going to go to pickleball at 10:30. We got that bounce. Where are my students? We got that bounce off this support at 79. Ruben, Ermeyer, I can help you. Before you go to bed, everyone should be turning on their algos. There should be no reason... Oh, make me a moderator. Oh, yeah, sorry. There should be no reason... All right, Kyle, hold on. There should be no reason why people are going to bed and their algos are not turned on. It's the easiest thing to do. Like, okay, if you can't get them turned on by 5 o'clock or 6 o'clock, maybe you're driving home or cooking dinner, that's fine. But you have to just turn on the algorithms before you go to bed. Danny, what's up? Have you still not come back yet? This has been like a 10-month drawn out thing. Oh, I'm coming back next month. Oh, I'm coming back next month. Or did you come back and I just forgot? I can't even remember. What's up, Marv? I know. I love you. Ha 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 ha. I'm laughing. I'm like a real laugh. False. I'm not actually laughing. Ha 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 ha. Alright. Yeah, you should upgrade. $80 or... I don't have to be nice. Yeah, you want to be a student, but you're not making things happen to be a student. So how does that work? And the price of being a student is going up starting in June. So 5 weeks, that price will be going up.
Orders submitted.
If you're just a student, it will be $1,000 a month. So heads up, Danny. It's on my vision board. What are we, 12 and a half? You should already, or ask them to move your location. Clearly your vision board isn't working. PayPal will literally give you, like, someone in my group took a $3,000 PayPal loan or credit or something and got the mentorship and then paid back the loan within like 2 days. He said, Will said, just get a credit card. Yeah, and I don't think the vision board is working because you've probably had it on your vision board for the last 10 months and you still haven't been able to produce, right? Or like, I'm still being mean. But like, I can be mean to you because I know you from being in the group before. But like, come on. I'm also like trying to put some fire under your ass because like, why is it taking so long? Alright, it's 10:11.
Order canceled.
I'm going to wrap this up. Santa hands-free is still green 200 on the day, but it was green 550. There's no reason why you would need more. Have a great day. Jen will be live from 2 to 3 p.m. Will be live from 3 to 5 p.m. And then we'll do it all again tomorrow. So make sure you follow them and check them out later today. I'm going to go play some pickleball so I can beat everyone in Vegas. And talk to you guys later. Thanks for joining. Bye.